Why am I learning this? If so, you're not alone. We learn how to solve equations, but not how to manage personal finances. Imagine being in a 19th century factory, loud machines, workers toiling endlessly. Switch to a modern classroom with fluorescent lights, but the teaching methods remain the same. Students dutifully raise their Hansa, symbol of compliance and control. The teacher drones on, words fading into background noise. Students' eyes glaze over. Their minds left the classroom long ago. This isn't education. This is conditioning. Ever felt like your classroom is a prison? Students sit silently as the teacher drones on like a robot. Prisoners move in unison, just like students in a classroom. The same training is used in prisons, factories, and schools. Fingers fly across keyboards, creating real value. Pens glide on paper, each stroke with purpose. Confident speakers address crowds, inspiring with every word. Salespeople close deals, eyes gleaming with success. Skills like writing, coding, speaking, and selling create real value. A modern house with a for rent sign, symbolizing passive income. Laptop displays increasing affiliate marketing earnings. A digital art piece is sold online. Cash flow streams into your account even while you sleep. An entrepreneur smiles confidently while working on a laptop, enjoying financial freedom. Individuals focus on writing, coding, speaking, and selling. The screen displays skills, writing, coding, speaking, selling, tools for success. A row of rental properties with freshly painted facades hints at lucrative opportunities. Digital assets materialize on screens, symbols of financial gain. In the dead of night, a person sits before a laptop, the screen's glow illuminating the darkness. The soft glow of the laptop reflects in their tired eyes, a testament to their relentless pursuit. The screen displays a stark message. You build assets that work while you sleep. Teacher stands at the whiteboard, chalk dust coating his fingers as he scribbles complex equations. Students stare blankly, brows furrowed, and eyes glazed over. They never taught you how to manage money. The teacher continues lecturing, unaware of the true lesson being missed. They never showed you how to invest. Entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds are passionately engaged in their ventures. Most millionaires started broke, but they learned to solve real problems. Their determination shines as they tackle challenges head on. In a modern meeting room, a confident individual sits at the table, ready to negotiate. Their gaze reflects unwavering confidence and determination. Negotiation, emphasizing the importance of this skill. The salesperson extends a hand, a genuine smile radiating confidence and warmth. The client smiles, offering a firm handshake, not just sealing a deal, but igniting a new journey. Closing a sale isn't just about selling, it's the art of turning no into yes. The marketing team assembles. The round table transforms into a battlefield of breakthrough ideas. Marketing strategy isn't just advertising, it's the compass guiding the brand to customers' hearts. Each click a step closer to success. Everyone has 24 hours, but the successful turn every minute into an opportunity. Sunlight streams through the window, crafting the perfect space for knowledge to flourish. No one can learn for you. Self-education is the freest path to success. Knowledge holds true value only when applied in real life. Every daily action, no matter how small, can lead to unexpected outcomes. You are the one who can change your life. Start with the smallest steps. The driving force comes from within. Apply this formula to accelerate your life. Knowledge is just the beginning. Practice is the key to unlocking success. Standing in the vast field, you feel true freedom, no barriers, no limits. In life, force isn't just physics, it's passion, the drive propelling you forward. At the mountain's peak, you realize the journey's experiences are the most valuable. Look forward with hope. Look back with gratitude. Three elements: skills, jiao, cash flow, jiao, ownership combine to build a solid foundation for lasting success. Every success starts with a small idea. Cherish and develop it. Freedom isn't just being unbound, it's having control over your own life. Are you ready to apply this formula to achieve true freedom? Don't let societal norms hold you back. Forge your own path. School may miss many vital lessons. It's time for you to self-learn and explore. Each step forward is an opportunity to discover yourself and chase your dreams. Keep moving forward, and you'll understand yourself and what you truly desire. The monotonous sound of traditional classrooms fades into white noise. Perhaps it's time to seek new learning methods. In the bustling city, tense faces remind us life shouldn't just be a race against time. Hurried footsteps and honking horns create a symphony of urban stress. The employee stares blankly, lost in the monotony of the endless workday. A photo on the desk, a forgotten memory, starkly contrasts the present despair. An entrepreneur smiles, working remotely on a sunlit beach. Freedom isn't just a dream, it's reality. The sound of waves blends with keyboard clicks, a melody of freedom and creativity. Under the warm glow of the cafe, a freelancer works with a gentle smile. A lone figure walks along a winding mountain trail, surrounded by the grandeur of the sky. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting playful shadows on the path. Amidst nature, you find yourself unbound, unlimited. Freedom isn't a destination, it's a choice you make every day. Every journey begins with a small step. Start today. Self-learning and applying knowledge are keys to unlocking success. Passion is the energy that propels you forward. Creativity is the ability to envision the non-existent and make it real. Success isn't a destination. It's the journey you undertake daily. Sharing knowledge and experience is the best way to learn and grow. Community is where you find support, encouragement, and inspiration. Respecting and learning from differences broadens your perspective and understanding. Clear and effective communication helps convey ideas and achieve goals. Setting specific and realistic goals guides direction and measures progress. Perseverance and resilience help you overcome challenges and achieve success. Failure is an opportunity to learn, improve, and grow. The hackathon buzzes like a beehive, where focused minds work under the glow of screens. Empty energy drink cans stand as monuments to sleepless nights and relentless innovation. The air vibrates with the electric hum of creation. Sculptures and digital canvases come to life, ready to captivate the world. Monitors glow with the promise of sales, each a digital storefront. Under the vibrant tents of the farmers market, entrepreneurs display the harvest of local fields. The air vibrates with the lively chatter of vendors and customers. Students sit hunched over their desks, textbooks open, the air heavy with rote learning. Brows furrowed, they memorize symbols and equations, eyes devoid of genuine comprehension. The classroom hums with the monotonous drone of memorization, a stark contrast to the silence of true understanding. In the engineering lab, scientists gather, heads bent over equations as they grapple with complex challenges. The air hums with the quiet thrum of computers, their screens ablaze with simulations and data visualizations. In a dim room, an entrepreneur works tirelessly, the screens glow reflecting unwavering determination. Empty coffee cups and scattered papers stand as evidence of relentless passion. Despite visible fatigue, the eyes shine with unshakable determination. Fingers glide over the keyboard, each keystroke a step closer to the dream. Ancient ruins narrate forgotten tales as modern explorers stand in silent awe of history. Breathtaking landscapes unfold, each scene a testament to nature's majestic beauty. A vibrant tapestry of human experience is woven, celebrating the beauty of our shared world. An empty classroom, desks neatly aligned, awaiting the spark of new ideas. A simple yet challenging reminder echoes, think different. If you're waiting for a sign to start, this is Eth It, that follow button, and let's embark on this journey together.